Okay. Then for the other math,
স্যার
yes.
আমি না ক্লাস শুরু হওয়ার আগে কিছু কথা বলতে নিতে যাচ্ছিলাম। স্যার আমরা ভাবছিলাম যে স্যাটারডে টাইমটা চেঞ্জ করে ওয়েডনেসডে তে নিয়ে যাই, যেহেতু আপনি স্যাটারডে তে বিজি থাকেন।
হ্যাঁ, I told you.
তাহলে স্যার আমরা স্যাটারডে থেকে না করে ওয়েডনেসডে দুপুর 2:30টা আর ফ্রাইডেতেও দুপুর 2:30টা করে ফেলি, কারণ দুইটাতে সবাই লাঞ্চ করতে থাকে আর প্রবলেম হয়ে যায়।
Okay. Okay, just wait. এটা অ্যান্সারটা লিখো। Okay, what you'll do, I am free. এর অ্যান্সার দেখো, হাফ sin inverse x to the power 5 whole to the power minus half into 5x to the power 4 by 1 minus x to the power 10. তোমাদের হয়তোবা এইটা নিচে লিখছো, কোনো ব্যাপার না, রুট দিয়ে। That is right. Okay, that is also right and this is also right. Okay, আগের এক্সারসাইজের কত থেকে কত পর্যন্ত অ্যান্সার দরকার? Everybody? Hello?
এখন তো মনেও নেই।
আচ্ছা, ওকে।
স্যার আমি দেখে বলতেছি।
না, ওয়েট। কোয়েশ্চেন নাম্বার তো মনে আছে, তাই না?
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
স্যার 4 নাম্বার থেকে 8 নাম্বার পর্যন্ত।
Just wait. আমি তোমাদের মেসেঞ্জার গ্রুপে অ্যান্সার সব দিয়ে দিলাম। ওকে, হ্যাভ গট মি?
Yes, sir.
স্যার
ওকে, আমি সমস্ত অ্যান্সার দিয়ে দিয়েছি 9.3। সো তোমরা দেখো পেয়ে গেছো মনে হয়।
আচ্ছা স্যার,
বলো।
আমাদের কি আজকের ক্লাস করায় ছুটি দেওয়া যায়?
সরি,
আজকের ক্লাস করানোর পর কি
তুমি
ঈদের
কি
ছুটি?
কোরবানির গরু কিনতে যাবো নাকি?
স্যার যাবো না, জিজ্ঞেস করলাম আর কি।
আমি প্রতিদিন পড়াবো, ইভেন ঈদের দিনে পড়াবো। আমি প্রত্যেকটা দিন পড়াবো।
না
আমার স্কুল আজকে হয়ে বন্ধ। সো আমি এভরিডে, আমি এখানে তোমাদের সিলেবাস একদম ইন্টিগ্রেশন পর্যন্ত শেষ করবো এদের মধ্যে, আমার টার্গেট।
স্যার প্রতিদিন পড়ান আর যতদিনই পড়ান ঈদের দিন প্লিজ পড়ায়েন না, ঈদের দিনটা বাদ দেন।
ওকে, ঠিক আছে, ইট ইজ অ্যাকসেপ্টেড। ওকে, নাও question number 12. You see question number 12. Just let me know. d by dx a to the power sine inverse x. Very easy and simple. Can you do? A to the power x, right? A to the power x ln a, then d by dx sine inverse x. I think you all would do this math. So it is a to the power sine inverse x. Today the most important maths of the book will be done, so please pay attention. And you see its formula is 1 by root over 1 minus x square. Our math is done. Any question from your side?
না স্যার।
Then question number 13. Question number 13. d by dx tan inverse b by a, d by dx b by a tan inverse x. What would be done? Oh, I'm sorry, extremely sorry. d by dx tan inverse b by a tan x. Who can do it? What is the formula of tan inverse x? Let me know. Tan inverse x equals to what? 1 by
1 by 1 plus x square.
1 plus, it is x. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Into d by dx. What was x here? b by a tan x. Talk to me. One plus, it is what? 1 plus b square by a square tan a square x, right? Into b by a tan x equals to what? Sec square x. Then we will get a square by a square plus b square tan square x, okay, into b by a sec square x, right? So here we are getting a omitted. We are getting a omitted, right? That is a b sec square x by a square plus b square tan square x. Yes. After that, we can write down, it is what? ab by cos square x into a square plus b square into sin square x by cos square x. Okay, I have converted into sine and cosine. But our answer would be done here, not a matter. If anyone when anyone does after this, she's right. So we can write here, this cos square x will be omitted. So it is AB by a square cos square x plus b square sin square x. You see, we have the cos square x in the denominator always here. So that has been omitted by multiplying cos square x. If we multiply it by cos square x, it will be vanished. Cos square x, this cos square x will be vanished. So we'll be left with this. Okay. Number 14. D by dx tan inverse d by dx tan inverse sin e to the power x. Can you do it? It can be done in two ways, as usual, or the last part is by, using the formula. That means, what is tan inverse x? Let me know.
So 1 by 1 plus x squared.
Is it? Then d by dx sine e to the power x. Sin x what? Cosine x? Is it? Now it is x will be differentiated again. So our math is done. You would do at best after this line. You all would do, that is normal e to the power x cosine e to the power x 1 plus it is the square. So what will be here? Sine a square e to the power x. Okay. Yes, it is the answer. Now I am going to the maths of totally whole and fully different dimension. What you have been taught today, forget it. Write down. Important to 1. Y equals to 10. Y is equal to 10. M tan inverse x. We have to show that 1 plus x square y1 is equal to m into 1 plus y square. What I told you? Y1 equals to what? Y1 means what? Let me know. dy by, can you please remember?
So first derivative of y, right?
Y1 equals to dy by dx. Okay, first derivative of y. You are absolutely right. So okay, can you write here? Not dy by dx. Can you write here y1? That is dy by dx is equal to tan x. Tan x equals to what? It is x. Tan x equals to what? Let me know. Sec square x. Talk to me.
Yes, sir.
Tan x equals to what? Sec square x. And d by dx m tan inverse x. Is it okay to all?
Yes, sir.
So y1 equals to sorry. What is sec square theta? Sec square theta equals to what? 1 plus tan square theta. Sec square theta means what? 1 plus tan square theta. It is theta. Sec square theta. 1 plus tan square, it is theta. Now, its answer is m by 1 plus x square, second bracket. Okay, now? So we are getting here y1 is equal to 1 plus y square into m by 1 plus x square. Now you multiply 1 plus x square into y1 is equal to m into 1 plus y square. This is done. This type of math is always given in the exam. Nothing but calculation. Please copy it. 2 up to y equals to cosine 2 sine inverse x cos x to sine inverse x cos x. Do it. y1 equals to, prove that y1 is equal to 2 sine 2x. 2 sine 2x. Do it. Oh, I'm sorry, x is not there. 2 sine inverse. It is very easy and simple math. You should not have y equals to cosine 2 sine inverse. We can write here, this is sine pi by 2 minus x. Talk to me.
Yes, sir.
Is it okay to all? Cos x equals to sine of pi by 2 minus x is the formula. That means we are getting here sine. It is 2 sine inverse x. Okay. Into this. So we can write here 2 into pi by 2 minus x. This will be omitted, right? So we are left here 2 and here this is. So cosine pi minus 2x. Okay. So in which coordinate it lies? It lies now in the second quadrant. So it is negative cosine 2x. Now y1 equals to minus sine 2x. This is 2x into 2. That is minus plus 2 sine 2x. Okay. Please try to understand. Hardest one. Practice. You have to practice. Calculus is nothing, but you have to do it by yourself. Now, wholly and fully, there is no relation between all the previous maths. Write down. It is given y equals to tan inverse 2x by 1 minus x square. Can you find dy by dx? Talk to me.
আচ্ছা স্যার,
Yes.
এটা কি 2 এর 3 নাম্বার নাকি এটা আলাদা একটা সেগমেন্ট?
3 1. Okay. For this type of maths, you see, we will do it in one line. What will you do? Just try to understand. X equals to tan theta. Okay. So can you write down y equals to tan inverse x equals to tan theta? That means 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. Whose formula is this? Talk to me.
Sir,
All of you pay attention. Tan inverse, its formula is tan.
Tan 2 theta.
Then tan will be omitted. Y equals to 2 theta. Talk to me. So what is theta? Theta equals to what? From here, theta equals to what?
Tan
Let me know.
inverse X.
Tan inverse x. So put theta equals to tan inverse x. Now we have to find dy by dx. Dy by dx. It is the coefficient, and tan inverse x is what? 1 plus. Math is done. We have about 100 maths, and all the maths are of this type, and there is no change. So please, if you understand this math, then I hope you can do every math. Always you have to remember this formula. This equal to this. 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta.
স্যার 500 এটা আমরা ধরে নিছিলাম না?
হ্যাঁ, of course, it is a part of math. So we are going to the next math. Number 2. Y equal to sine inverse 2x by 1 plus x square, which is equal to what I told you, x equals to what? Tan theta. 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. What you have to write here? Let x equals to tan theta. Now let me know what is the formula.
Sine inverse sine 2 theta.
All of you, it is the formula of sine 2 theta. Will you write down all those formula? Okay, you write down the formula. Tan 2 theta is equal to what? Let me know. 2 tan theta by
1 minus tan square theta.
1 minus tan square theta. Okay. Sine 2 theta
2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta.
2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. Then cosine 2 theta is equal to 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. These three formula. Okay. Always you have to get it. You see another thing here. You think, suppose this is a right angle triangle. Okay. It is always positive. So 1 plus tan square theta. It is always 2 tan theta. One day I showed you. And it is 1 minus tan square theta. 1 minus tan square theta. So what we have done for this math, okay? So what we have done for this math here, we have done. Write down x equals to tan theta. Okay, for this math. So we are getting here 2 theta. What is theta? Theta equals to what?
Tan inverse x.
Theta equals to tan inverse x. That means, don't talk please. Dy by dx 2 by, math is done. Tan inverse x is 1 by 1 plus x square. So as it is 2, so 2 by 1 plus x square. Anything wrong?
No, sir.
So I think you all can do it. Y equals to cos inverse x 1 minus x square by, I think you will do it at home. Same thing. Cos inverse, let me know. 1 minus what?
1 plus tan square x by, sorry, 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta.
Is it? That means we are getting here cos inverse cos 2 theta. That is 2 theta. Theta equals to what? Tan inverse x. So the interesting fact is that all these three math, we have the same answer.
Answer same.
Okay. And as well as you have been acquainted with all those three formulas. Now going to question number 4. Okay. Question number 4. We are getting here sec inverse. Is it? And suppose we don't know the formula of sec inverse. Suppose for a while we think that we really don't know. Not a matter. We can write it. Cos inverse. Talk to me.
Yes.
Now you see the second line is question number 3 that I did just 2 minutes back. It is now question number 3. Hello everybody.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now question number 5. Y is equal to tan inverse 2 root over x by 1 minus x. Don't be afraid of tan inverse 2 into root over x by 1 minus root over x whole square. Where you have not got it, you see, this and this will make this. Now, what should be done here? You see, we can write here, let root x equals to tan theta. So we can write here tan inverse root x equals to tan theta. That is 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. Talk to me.
Yes, sir.
That is tan inverse. What is the formula? Tan 2 theta. That means we are getting here 2 theta. From here, can you please let me know theta equals to what?
Tan inverse
Tan
root x.
inverse. Am I right? Write down or y equals to 2 theta. Theta equals to tan inverse root over x. I have just put the value of theta, nothing else. Or you see dy by dx. It is 2. What is the formula? 1 plus x square.
Yes, sir.
Then it is not only x, so it will become differentiated. Talk to me.
G, sir.
Have you got it or not?
Yes, sir.
This is 2, this 2. 1 by this, so 2 into 1, 2. Now we can write here 2 by 1 plus x. What is the formula here? I told you to remember it always. Right? This 2 will be now omitted. So our answer is 1 by root over x, 1 plus x. Math is done. It is possible when you come to know the formula. Then we are going to do question number 6. Y is equal to, given in this question, y is equal to tan inverse 4x by 1 minus 4x square. Can you do it?
Yes, sir.
Really? Y is equal to tan inverse. You see, we have 2. You give emphasis always. And don't forget it. This is 2. Okay? So what will we do? We have to write down like this. 2 into 2x. Always this 2 is to be separated. Okay? Now we can write here 1 minus 2x whole square. Can you please talk to me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is the side note here? Side note is let 2x equals to tan theta. Is it okay to all? 2x equals to tan theta. So we are getting here tan inverse 2x 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. Two x equals to tan theta. Please don't forget. It is tan theta. So 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. And its formula is, we are getting here, its formula is, let me know, tan inverse tan what? 2 theta. That is equal to 2 theta.
স্যার আর বাকি স্টেপ গুলো না লিখে ডিরেক্ট অ্যান্সার লিখে দিলেই তো হয়।
Do it by yourself. Can you tell me
স্যার
now?
এটার
Can
অ্যান্সার আরেকটা, এটার অ্যান্সার হচ্ছে 4/1 + 4x স্কয়ার।
So theta equals to what?
tan
Tan
inverse 2x।
inverse 2x. So we are getting here 2 theta equals to what? Tan inverse 2x. That means 4/1 plus what? What will be? So you should not go at a time. You may be mistaken. It is 2 into 1/1 plus x square into d by dx 2x. And we see 2 is 2, 2 is a 4, 4x, no x, 1 plus 4x square. Okay, all of you, don't try to do at a time. You will be mistaken. At first, do a lot of maths, then you'll come to know how to do it in online. Now, question number 7. Number 7. Y is equal to tan inverse 4 root x. Tan inverse 4 root x by 1 minus 4x. Do it by yourself. আচ্ছা আর দুজন দেখার বেতনটা যাই করে হ্যাঁ আদরে মা মা এই তো বাবা okay then what will you do let me know what I told you you have to separate x 2 that is 2 into 2 root x always remember one thing otherwise you will not be able to do any math 1 minus this is x 2 root x you see we can get this have you got me
Yes, sir.
জি স্যার।
then you have to let 2 root x equals to tan theta okay then theta equals to what tan inverse
root x.
so we can write down tan inverse 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta, right? That is tan inverse tan 2 theta, that is we are getting 2 theta. Or we are getting theta equals to what? Tan inverse 2 root x. Okay. Therefore, dy by dx equals to 2 tan inverse x equals to what? 1 plus 1 by 1 plus x square. D by dx 2 root over x. Okay. So we are getting here 2 into 1 by 4 1 by 1 plus 4x into 2 into root x equals to what? 1 by 2 root x. Can you remember? I told you, you have to get this math about 1,000 times in your book. Okay, so 2 will be omitted. So we are left with 2 by root over x, 1 plus 4x, and our math is done. Very interesting math, right? But you know, every math is different from others. For this, I am going to do almost all the maths. But after doing some maths, I am not going to do all the maths. Okay, the math I did now, just I have done now, is the most important to be given in the examination. Another important math and the hardest one. Y is equal to tan inverse 3x minus x cube 3x minus x cube by 1 minus 3x square. Do it. I want to see who can do it.
পারবো না, করাই দেন।
আচ্ছা
try
স্যার
to do.
3/2 করতে হবে, তারপর 2 কমন নিব এরকম কিছু?
No, not that.
আর নিউমারেটর থেকে একটা এক্স কমন নিয়ে করব?
Then what will the
কমন নিয়েই
benefit?
বসে আছি, এরপর আর কিছু করতেছি না। কমন নিয়ে তারপর ভাবা যেতে পারে কি করব।
Okay, not a matter. Take it easily. X equals to what? Right? I told you that this is to be done like this. So y equal to tan inverse. Okay. Can you please let me know? Equals to what? 3. What?
tan থিটা।
Actually, it is a formula. Okay, you know, 3 tan theta. 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta by 1 minus 3 tan square theta. You did a lot of math on what? You have found tan 2 theta formula, right? But I have not showed you what is tan 3 theta. Tan 3 theta is formula this. Write down. It is the formula of tan 3 theta.
স্যার এটা মুখস্থ রাখতে হবে?
Yes.
স্যার এরকম আর কত কত ফর্মুলা আছে যেগুলো আমরা জানি না, বাট ম্যাথের মাঝখানে মাঝখানে চলে আসে।
Actually, you'll come to know. So you have written it? Talk to me.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you see, we can write down here tan inverse tan 3 theta equals to what? Equals to what? Right? So we are getting d by dx equals to 3 by 1 plus x square. Have you copied it?
জি স্যার।
ইয়েস স্যার।
That's good.
স্যার আমাদের কি sin 3 থিটা cos 3 থিটা এগুলোও লাগবে?
Has you know sin 3 theta, you know cos 3 theta, Baba. What is sin 3 theta? Let me know. What is sin 3 theta? 3 sin theta minus.
theta minus 4 sin cube theta.
What is cos 3 theta? 4 cos
Sorry,
cube
sir.
theta minus. Can you remember, please?
জি স্যার ভুলে গেছিলাম।
Yes, sir.
Now, if we calculate, okay, then you will get the result that I showed you. Are you getting me?
Yes,
This is
sir.
one of the way. This is one of the ways. Another ways, tan 3 theta can be written tan 2 theta plus theta. I think you have got it.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is formula? Tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. Talk to me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, what is the formula of tan 2 theta? Tan 2 theta equals to us 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta, right? One minus what is tan 2 theta? 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square into tan theta. Is it? Now we'll multiply both the numerator and denominator by 1 minus tan square theta. 1 minus tan square theta. So it is 2 tan theta. 1 minus tan theta minus tan cube theta. Just LCM. 1 minus tan square theta. 1 minus tan square theta minus 2 tan square theta. Now you see we are getting here 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta by 1 minus 3. Can you remember it was the previous math?
Yes, sir.
জি স্যার
Anyway, again, another dimension. Question number 4. Y equals to, please don't sing. Y equals to tan inverse 1 minus root x by 1 plus root x. Now you see, is it very good? I will apply another rule. Tan inverse 1 minus root x equals to tan theta. Root x equals to tan theta. Sorry, 1 minus tan theta, 1 plus tan theta. Right? Okay. Tan inverse tan 1 equals to what? Tan pi by 4 minus tan theta 1 plus tan pi by 4. I told you once, if you see any math like this, it means you have to do this. So can you please let me know tan inverse what? Tan pi by 4 minus theta. Tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A tan B. Is it? Which is equal to pi by 4 minus theta. Or y equals to pi by 4 minus theta. Theta equals to what? Tan inverse x. From here we can find theta. Okay, therefore dy by dx equals to 0 minus 1 by 1 plus x square d by dx root x. Okay, that is minus it is root over x. Sorry, it is what? 1 plus x. This is 1 plus x. 1 by 2 root x. It is the answer.
স্যার ওই বুকে কি এটাই অ্যান্সার ছিল?
Yes, zero, not only zero, but also আছে. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Go to question number 2 of 4. Sometimes you will do the math by yourself and you will see the mistakes. Then you will come to know. Cot inverse 1 plus x by 1 minus x. Cot inverse that I do normally.
আচ্ছা স্যার,
1, yes.
এখানে তো দুইটা প্রসেসই ঠিক ছিল, তাও অ্যান্সার ডিফারেন্ট আসছে। তার মানে কি এখন এটাও বুঝতে হবে কোন ম্যাথের জন্য কোন ফর্মুলা ইউজ করব?
Actually, try to, I mean, in the answer, there would not be any inverse. Okay. we have to vanish inverse. This is the fact. So if we go for doing that math in that way, sorry, then it won't be. But we are not mistaken. Okay, for this I told you, one math may have too many answers. Have you got me? That procedure and that answer, everything was right. Okay, anyway, can you do this? Let me know. What will you do?
স্যার এক্স কে cos থিটা ধরবো।
Okay, very good. We can do it in this way. Tan inverse 1 minus x, 1 plus x. Can you do it? Because we are habituated doing the math having tan, not cot. Right? So in the same way, you do tan inverse 1 minus tan theta by 1 plus tan theta. Are you getting me? Where x equals to tan theta. Okay? Now what we can do? Like the previous math, we can write here tan. I told you one day, if you get this shape, its answer is this. Tan theta 1 plus tan A, tan B. Tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A, tan B is equal to what? Tan inverse tan pi by 4 minus theta. Same math, same type of math. So we're getting y equal to pi by 4 minus theta. We are getting y equals to pi by 4 minus theta equals to what? Tan inverse x. So dy by dx 0 minus 1 by, I think you have got the answer right. And yes, at last it is our answer. Minus 1 by, then we are getting, okay, the math I have done, it is also very important. Question number 3, this is important. Now question number 3. Y is equal to a plus bx tan inverse by, who can do it? I want to see. Oh, yeah, a minus bx is right. Who can do it?
স্যার আগেরটার অ্যানসার কত ছিল?
Huh?
আগেরটার অ্যানসার কত ছিল?
Okay. Now you see, who can do it? None of you can do. It is a little bit hard. Tan inverse. At first, you will always, if it is tan, you will make it 1 here, it is 1 here. So to make this a 1, I have to divide by a. So if I go for dividing by a, then we'll get 1 plus bx by a, 1 minus bx by a. Can you please talk to me? And what I have told you, if it is tan, then you have to get always here 1, you have to get always here 1. So I can get here 1 if I divide both the numerator and denominator by a. Please talk to me. Tan inverse, it is 1 plus tan theta by 1 minus tan theta. That means here we have let bx by a has been let as by tan theta. All of you talk to me, please. Now I am not going to show you further. Can you please let me know what will be here? Tan what? pi by 4 plus theta. I have skipped one line. Hello, everybody. I have skipped one line. Have you got it? The
Yes.
part of
জি
formula.
স্যার
The part of the formula. Now we are getting here. You see, y equals to tan will be omitted, pi by 4 plus theta. Now let me know what is theta. Theta equals to what?
Tan inverse bx by a.
Tan inverse. Is it? Now you are required to do. It is not my, business. But it is you who will do it. So we are getting here. Dy by dx is equal to, it is 0. Tan inverse x equals to what? 1 by 1 plus x square into d by dx. Okay. So we are getting here 1 by 1 plus b square x square by a square. It is x will be 1, so it is b by a. B by a is here constant, not constant, it is coefficient. So like the previous maths, we can calculate it multiplying by a square. It is a square by, okay, a square plus b square x square dot b by a will be omitted, that is ab by a square plus b square x square. And we are done here. Yes, we are absolutely right. Our math is done. Talk to me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, question number 4. Y is equal to tan inverse a plus bx by b minus ax. Do it. Aha, you try for one of the day, then I know that you can do.
করছি তো আপনি করে দেন।
স্যার
You
এতক্ষণ ধরে পুরা সবকিছু ইউজ করে ট্রাই করতে তা পারেনি, কিন্তু স্যার প্লিজ করায় দেন।
I will do, but you have to take one day. Just I want that at least one student will be successful. It is very easy and simple. You have to apply technique here. Okay, do the next important math. Y equals to tan inverse.
ওয়ান স্টুডেন্ট কি আপনি সন্ধিদের কথা বললেন?
No,
ও
Sondit
আর কি?
nowadays Sondit cannot do math. Right?
ইয়েস স্যার।
Sin x. This is the math. What I told you, if you see this type of math, what is to do, let me know. Let me know. We have to divide by cosine x. So 1 minus tan x by, and the previous math is of that type, 1 plus tan x. You see. Is it okay? Hello, everybody.
Yes, sir.
What is the value of this? Let me know. Pi by 4 minus Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Okay, so I have
1
done
is
about
10
4.
square.
No. So it is equal to pi by 4 minus x. Now you find dy by dx is s by minus 1. Shandip told only one.
মানে কি ভুলে হয়ে গেছে
Not a
-1
matter.
ই আসছে
It is very easy and simple to mistake because for the first time you are facing this math. Okay, now going to question number 2. Y is equal to question number 2. Tan inverse sec x plus tan x. Tan inverse sec x plus tan x. Do it. What did you do at first? Let me know. You will do the math like this. No, it's not that. You have to go to class 9. What you did there? 1 by cos x. Talk to me. Sin x by cos x. Can you remember, please? That means tan inverse 1 plus sin x by cos x. Is it?
Yes, sir.
Now, what can be written from here? Let me know. Tan inverse x, tan inverse, same thing, cos square x by 2, sin square x by 2, then plus 2 cos x by 2 sin x by 2 by cos 2x cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2. Right? Or y is equal to, let me know, tan inverse, it is what? Cosine x by 2 plus sin x by 2 by cosine x by 2 minus sin x by 2. Is it 12? Huh? It is a plus b whole square, it is a square minus b square. So plus will be commuted, it is will be left with negative. Now you divide by cos x by 2. That is 1 plus tan x by 2, 1 minus tan x by 2. Oh, I'm sorry, tan inverse. Y equal to tan inverse. Is it? So from here, we can write down at a time tan inverse tan what? Pi by 4 minus x by 2.
plus x by 2
Absolutely right you are. That means y equals to pi by 4 plus x by 2. So dy by dx is equal to only half. It is 0. It is x is 1, so half. Have you got it?
Yes, sir.
Write down the math you have done, the most important. And if it is given in the exam, I can bet that all of you will fail to do. Because all the formulas of trigonometry have been applied here. So calculus is nothing but trigonometry. I think you will believe or you will agree with me, right? Number 3, y is equal to tan inverse. tan inverse cosine x by 1
আর
plus
এটা কি
sin.
লাস্ট ম্যাথ?
Sorry. Okay,
মানে
do
আরো
it.
আছে ম্যাথ?
আচ্ছা স্যার, আগেরটার কি ক্লাস ছিল? কি বলি, কি অ্যান্সার ছিল?
Half. Okay, you see. Now what will you do? Can you do
আগেরটার
this
মতো
math?
করবো।
Okay, it can be done in 2 ways. Will I show you? Sorry. You see, if I do the math like this, y equals to tan inverse, its answer will be cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. I think you have got it. What is the difference between the previous math and this math? In the previous math, 1 plus sin x was in the numerator and it was in the denominator, right? Hello?
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
Yes,
So
sir.
the same thing. I have just given minus sign in the numerator and plus sign in the denominator, right? I think if you go for doing this math, you'll get this. It means tan inverse what? 1 minus tan x by 2, 1 plus tan x by 2, dividing by cosine x by 2. So it is what? Tan inverse. What is the formula? Tan of, let me know, 1 is pi by 4. Pi by 4 minus x by 2. That is pi by 4 minus x by 2. So its differentiation would be d by dx equals to minus half. Okay. This math can be done orally. Okay, it is not to calculate. Okay. After, I mean, certain days, you can do all these maths not by doing. Orally, you can tell me. The sir, its answer will be this. Okay, and you have to have this pattern. I told you up to 6. Can you remember? That's okay.
আপ টু 6
Okay.
মানে 6 সহ নাকি 6 ছাড়া?
Okay, we have only 2 maths of question number 5. We need another day.
আচ্ছা করান।
We need another day to finish this exercise. Okay. We will need another day. Now only 2 maths are left of this question number 5. 4. Cot inverse cosec x plus cot x. Y equal to cot inverse cosec x plus cot x. Do it. Same math. There is no difference. Now what will you do? Huh? What will be the, can you please let me know? 1 by sin. So it is sin x. 1 plus cos x. Is it? I mean, it is 1 by sin x, it is cos by sin x. Get the LCM. Now let me know. It is 1 plus cos theta equals to what? What is the formula? 2 cos square x by 2. Talk to me. And it is 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. You did too many maths on this. Okay. So we are getting cot inverse. 2 will be omitted. So we are getting what? Cot x by 2. Is it? Equals to what? X by 2. So dy by dx is equal to half. Is it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, if any student thinks from x by 2 half it is half, how it is half, then I'm sorry. But I know you have a question. Y is equal to tan inverse a cos x minus b sin x by b cos x plus a sin x. Do it. Can you see the one math I gave you as homework? Huh? And
Yes,
this
sir.
এই
math, yes.
ম্যাথটা ওই ম্যাথটার মতোই তো সেমই
I
ম্যাথ
mean, yes, but a little
সেম
bit different.
ক্যাটাগরি ম্যাথ
Same category. So if you can do this math, I am going to show this math, then you can do that math. So please pay attention. Y is equal to tan inverse. What should I do? Let me know. What I told you, you have to get 1 here. By hook or by crook, you have to get 1. So very good. We divide it. Okay, very good. I am going to divide it by a cos x. So that is 1. A cos x. So b by a tan x. Is it or not?
Yes, sir.
হ্যাঁ
Then what should I do? Then what should I do? A cos x. So we are getting here. We are getting here.
B by A plus tan x.
B by A only. Is it?
স্যার বি বাই এ আসলো কিভাবে
You divide it by a cos x.
ও হ্যাঁ
And it is tan x.
tan x
Talk to me.
Yes, sir.
But we are not done yet.
Jani, sir.
Now, what is happening here? You
তার
see?
ডিনোমিনেটর আবার বি বাই এ দিয়ে ডিভাইড করব
No. You see, can you write here? Cot inverse b by a plus tan x 1 minus b by a into tan x. If it is tan theta plus tan x 1 minus tan theta tan x. I mean, is it in the format of tan of a plus b formula?
Yes, sir.
Now you let here b by a equals to tan theta. Can I let b by a equals to tan theta? So we are getting y equals to cot inverse tan theta plus tan x by 1 minus tan theta tan x. Talk to me. B by a equals to tan theta. So tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b. You know the previous the same math. So we are getting cot inverse. What is the formula? Let me know. Tan of
plus x.
theta plus x. Right?
Yes, sir.
But here it is cot. So it is cot inverse. Let me know. What can you write? Cot of cot of pi by 2 minus theta. I told you, if I want to take cot from tan, it is the formula. Cos from sin, sin from cos.
তাহলে সাইন চেঞ্জ হবে না?
No, is the first quadrant. 1 pi by 2. We can go from here to there.
আচ্ছা হ্যাঁ।
Right? Okay. So cot will be omitted. So we will be left with pi by 2 minus theta minus x. Now, what is the value of theta? Pi by 2 minus, what is the value of theta? Theta is what? Tan inverse. Talk to me.
B by A. Tan inverse B by A.
And what is x? X is x. No difference, right? You know, this is the value of y. It is or it was y. We have to find dy by dx. Very interesting math. It is constant, 0. It is constant, there is no x. Okay? So it is also 0. And it is x, so minus 1. Now talk to me where you have